Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to explain how Django project and React app works. So let's get started. First, let's see. Here is our Django project. So in Django project, it contains views, database, templates, URLs, admin. So these are the components of Django projects, and all this run on a server, which is any server or your local host or any live server, which I already show you. So this is simple architecture of Django project which run on server. So these are server side part of Django. So this is server side part of Django. Now, so here you can see browser. So how we see projects of Django. So we already see Django render the template and show to us in browser. Then we see the rendered template in our browser. So Django render the template and show to us. So all these working are known as client side part. Earlier I show you server side, and these all are known as client side part. Now let's see more. Here comes our React app. All has been gone. Nothing worked like earlier. So what actually I am saying is Django run on different server and different port, and React run on different port and different server. So we are creating two projects. One is Django project and second is React project. And all our database store, function, record, data read, write, all process and logic we done in our server side in Django project, and only React access the data and work in our client side and represent the data to user. That's why we need React app. I will show you more advantage. What is the advantage of using React app and REST API in our project? So that's why we use Django for server side. Now in React app, after creating React app, there is no need of Django template because all this work done via React app. So we don't need to use Django template because we are already using the templates in our React app, which is different from Django templates. Also in React app, there is only one app, React app. Then comes our coding on React app architecture. So React app is different architecture and different types of style. When I will create React app tutorial, so I will show how you to create React pages, React app and run on React server. So after coding of React part, then we see the render page to us. So this is separate environment, just like client side and server side. Just like this is Android app and this is server side coding, and we are fetching data from server. So this is separate environment of Django and this is separate environment of React. Now, so how we see data in our React app? So big question is how we see our data in our React app and how to fetch data from Django server. So that's why we need Ajax and React app and REST API. That's why I am creating REST API in Django project. So I am creating every model, every structure, every module, data serializers and views for creating the APIs like add medicals, add medicine, bill generate, everything we need to create via API. And how we can access this data using our React app? We make Ajax request and send data to server and receive data to server. So all this done via React app. So that's why I'm creating this topic to you clearly understand how React and Django work. So understand this. This is two environment. One is Django and second is React. So how they interact? They interact using Ajax and API. Django gives us API and React uses Ajax calls to access that API data, send request to server. That's why we need REST API in our Django project. So I hope you understand. If you have any question, please comment, and thanks for watching, and please like our video and subscribe our channel. If you still have any question, please do comment and ask anything if you don't understand about more in this topic.